Tuesday. Hello everyone. My name is Kim Lan and now I'm in front of Khmer ceramic shop, and in here we also for pottery class, as you can see it here. But today I'm gonna show you one of our best collection. So if you want to know what it is, let's go together. This is called lanyard collections, and the name is given to identify the product. As you can see, the black lines around the product's edge and the combination between the whites and the blacks made this collection look really beautiful, and this is also the best product. So in this collection, for the bowl we have 4 sizes. So we have 7 cm bowl, 13 cm bowl, 20 cm bowl, and we have the 26 cm. So for the 7 cm bowl, this is good for sauce. So you can use it as a dipping sauce, and you can use it to put some ingredients. And for the 13 cm bowl, if you are looking for cereal bowl, this is highly recommended. So this is, you can use it also for fruit bowl. So the next one is our 20 cm bowl. This one, if you are looking for a pasta bowl or salad bowl, this is the best. And the last one is our 26 cm bowl. So for this bowl, you can use it as a salad bowl, or you can use it as a serving bowl. And one more is our oval bowl. So for the oval bowl, you can use it for salads or pasta. This is really good. And for the plate, we have 5 sizes. So the small one is 14 cm. So for this one is, you can use as a starter, and it's really good for bread. And this one is 22 cm plate. So this is a side plate. You can use it for rice, desserts, and you can use it to put some snack on it. And this one is our 28 cm plate. This one is a dinner plate. And this one is our 32 cm plate. You can use it as a serving plate. And our last one is our 36 cm plate. And this one, you can use it as a serving plate, and you can also use it as a showing plate. And for our drinkware, we have many kind of mug and jug. So this one is our espresso cup. So we have cup and saucer. It's really good for espresso. And for the big one, this one, you can use it as a tea cup, or you can use it as a coffee cup. And for the big one is for someone who likes to drink a lot of coffee. This size is really good, and it's a perfect size. So you can also use it as a tea cup as well. And for this one is our milk jug. This is the perfect size for the milk jug. And for the water, we have 2 different mugs. So we have this one with the handle, and this one is without the handle. And for this is our jug, our big jug. You can use it as a serving jug for your family meal. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in this collection, you can leave your comment below, or you can click on the link. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.